showing you the collections of the Nukus Museum, we certainly could not help but mention the picturesque legacy of Igor Savitskiy himself. There are many sketches fixing his first impression and his completed landscapes in the museum's collection. He writes the patriarchal way of life of the Karakalpaks, investing in his works all love and pain for this land. Once, these lands were the bottom of the Aral Sea, and now, as you can see, here's only a cemetery of ships, a cemetery of old fishing schooners. And only there, on the horizon, you can see a small strip of water. It is very cold and very quiet here, and this is a frightening silence. The Aral theme became one of the main themes for the Karakalpaks artists of the new generation of the 1970s and 80s. Today, the works of Izintayev, Saparov, Lipesov, and Utumuratov are a classic of Karakalpak's art. The creativity of these artists was considered to be a phenomenon of the national school.